Here we go. This is a video on the Ford 3610 is the model we believe it is. It could be wrong, so don't take our word for it because we haven't been able to get it tracked down exactly. So, but it looks like a 3610. 47.5 horsepower, super clean, runs really good, PTO, everything works. Came in with a mower on it. You'll see it in the auction. If you want a mower, you can grab it. Justin's gonna get on there and show us. The only thing that is not working is the power steering, but it does still turn easy. So give us a demo.
Very simple.
Very simple.
Neutral.
Put it in neutral. Fire it up. Sounds super good. That's just how they're supposed to sound, right there. Has a high and a low. He's taking it on a ride. Wants to show me over here. Reverse. So if you want a nice, clean, older tractor, this would be perfect. Perfect little tractor. How many hours on it? How many hours is showing?
1,200.
1,200 hours is showing.
Yeah, it runs great.
Okay. So that's it. Very simple, nice, clean little Fordson tractor, ready to go. And that's it. Talk to you later on the next one. Goodbye now.